Hi everyone, we're checking out the 2001 Gladiator Overland with a special lift kit, 2-inch lift, suspension, rims and tires, 18-inch. We do customize some of our packages. This one here is one they just finished. .4-inch touchscreen with off-road package app, as well as Wi-Fi, navigation, travel link. See this one here and all of our other Gladiators, whether it's a Rubicon, Overland, we have them all. Large inventory in stock now. Stop by and see us today at Provincial Chrysler, 1001 Provincial Road, or online at provincialchrysler.com, or give us a call, 519-250-5500. We do suggest an appointment or book a test drive. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.